In this video, I'll show you how I got to see the tallest waterfalls in North Africa, called D'ouzoud Falls, and what can you do when you're there. My name is Ahmed, and I'm an entrepreneur and an educator. And on this channel, I specifically talk about personal development and traveling. So I'd encourage you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification for more content like this. Let's get into the video. The road trip to D'ouzoud Falls was absolutely amazing. I was driving for 10 hours and I was seeing one of the most beautiful scenery I've ever seen in my life. It took me a long time because I was stopping at every single point taking videos of the sunset, and it was absolutely mesmerizing. If you want to see the video of the whole trip, please click here. Promise you, you will not be disappointed.
So after driving for 8 hours last night from Marrakech all the way to D'ouzoud, it actually broke me. I've never driven that much in my whole life. So right now I am actually sitting by the cliff of these falls. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. You will not believe how amazing this is. Okay? In real life. These falls have been obviously mentioned or seen in Game of Thrones recently as well. Really popular and definitely a must when you come to Marrakech or anywhere in Morocco. It's about 2.5 hours from Marrakech, and you obviously park your car and it's about a 10-minute walk, barely a hike, mostly just straight line walking, and it's just an amazing experience really. And the environment, the weather, everything is absolutely mesmerizing, and you'll never believe how unbelievable it actually looks. So I would definitely encourage you guys to come and check this place out.
From this point, I took loads of pictures and videos of the falls. D'ouzoud is actually a Berber word meaning olive, and this refers to the olive trees found on the way to these falls. And the way to these falls is what makes the whole trip amazing.
So when you hike this area, it actually takes you right to the top, right over there. So then you trek all the way across and then down. Okay, and you end up, I don't know whether you can see this, but I'll show you in the next one. You end up right there, right at the bottom, right at the base of the falls.
The view of the falls are nothing short of breathtaking. I would recommend that you guys be careful, as people fall off from the top on a regular basis. But I bet you won't care about that, because the views would want to make you go as close to the edge as possible.
So on this trip you'll be riddled with different monkeys from everywhere, which actually live in the forest. So look at this one. Hello. How's it going? He doesn't respond to me at all. I think he hates me.
You can feed food such as peanuts to these monkeys. These wretched creatures are not very interactive at all. So you don't have to worry about these guys jumping on you and attacking you, as they very much mind their own business.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Alrighty. You going? Don't go. Come on. Don't leave me like this. Come on, man.
Other than that, the views from this point are so amazing, I can't even begin to explain. I stayed here and marveled in awe at this view.
So this is the view from the very bottom of the falls. Look at this. It's absolutely mesmerizing. And you can't get enough of it, honestly. You'll have to come here at least once, and when you're here, you need to do something extraordinary to really enjoy this place. And yeah. Honestly, absolutely amazing. Can't ask for a better view. You'll have a lot of choices to hike, to take a boat ride. I always recommend hiking these rocks, and you come literally from the bottom there, and when you get to the top, it's absolutely amazing. It's not really the top, but it's a good view, and a lot less interruptions, a lot less people around, and you get like more of a private experience.
Obviously, I took loads of pictures and then embraced the cold water and go for a swim.
You can swim in this water that actually looks dirty, but it's actually not that dirty, and you can see from the pool. And whenever you do decide to swim, the water's really cold. It's not that deep, so you can easily walk. Like right now, I'm walking in the water. It's actually not that bad at all. So what I would recommend that you definitely take some sort of swimming shorts, some sort of swimming gear with you, so you can jump in and enjoy it in all its glory. All right, take care.
After swimming, I made loads of videos of the falls and was astonished by its magnificence.
So I just finished a swimming session in the falls. I don't know whether you can see this. There they are. And it was absolutely amazing. The water's a lot colder than I'd expected. So I would suggest that you are fully prepared when you're gonna jump in, embrace yourself basically. And it's not that deep at all. So you can easily swim. I'm about 5'11", so you can easily swim and without having any issues whatsoever. So I would definitely recommend that. And also a boat ride. If none of you guys want to swim, if any of you guys don't want to swim, don't fancy a swim, definitely do the boat ride though. I think it's costing about 10 dirhams. Lastly, do bring some sort of swimming trunks. I didn't, so I had to actually do this in jeans. So now I'm gonna go head back to the car and change my clothes, but definitely bring some swimming trunks as well. So these are my notes. It was an amazing experience. I am heading back now.
Thank you so much for making it to the end, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great time at D'Ouzoud Falls. Please like the video, share the video, and comment down below what's your favorite spot in Morocco. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.